Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade stickers. First, gather your simple materials: paper, clear packing tape, scissors, and your chosen designs. You will need 2 pieces of tape for each sticker. Ensure your workspace is clean and ready for crafting. This easy method allows for quick and fun personalization of your belongings, creating unique items in just a few minutes. Now let's prepare your designs. Print or draw your desired images onto regular paper. Carefully cut out each design, leaving a small border of about 1/8 of an inch around the edge. Then, take 1 piece of clear packing tape and cover the front of your design completely. This step laminates your image, protecting it and making it durable. Next, we will create the sticky back for your sticker. Take a second piece of clear packing tape, slightly larger than your design, and place it sticky side up on your work surface. Carefully press your laminated design onto this tape, ensuring no air bubbles. Finally, trim around the design, leaving a small border of the tape exposed, about 1/16 of an inch. Congratulations, your homemade sticker is ready. To use it, simply peel off the backing paper from the exposed tape border. Then, apply your new, unique sticker to any clean, dry surface you wish to personalize. Enjoy decorating your notebooks, water bottles, or gifts with your very own custom creations. It's a fun and easy way to add a personal touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.